Vyakaran, the science of grammar. In the intricate tapestry of Vedic knowledge, the Vedangas serve as the limbs of the revered Veda Purusha, embodying various aspects of sacred wisdom. Among these Vedangas, Vyakaran, the science of grammar, holds a special place as the mouth of the Veda Purusha. Vyakaran is indispensable for unraveling the profound teachings of the Vedic texts, ensuring their proper interpretation and transmission. This article explores the significance of Vyakaran, focusing on its role in the study of Vedic knowledge and the legacy of Panini's Ashtadhyayi, a masterpiece that has shaped the understanding of the Sanskrit language. The essence of Vyakaran. Vyakaran, often referred to as grammar, is an essential Vedanga that enables scholars to decipher the intricacies of the Vedic texts. As the mouth of the Veda Purusha, Vyakaran is the key to unlocking the rich tapestry of the Sanskrit language in which the Vedas are composed. Its primary purpose is to provide a systematic framework for understanding the structure, form, and meaning of Vedic words and sentences. Panini's Ashtadhyayi, a landmark in grammar. While the original Vedanga texts on Vyakaran have been lost to time, the most celebrated and influential work in this field is Panini's Ashtadhyayi. Panini, an ancient Indian grammarian, composed this monumental text, which is revered for its concise and systematic approach to Sanskrit grammar. His work is a testament to the precision and depth of understanding with which the ancient scholars approached language. Structure of Ashtadhyayi. Panini's Ashtadhyayi is organized into 8 chapters, or adhikranas, each dealing with specific aspects of grammar. These chapters contain a total of 3,959 aphorisms, known as sutras, which succinctly capture the essence of Sanskrit grammar. The structure of the Ashtadhyayi is a masterpiece of brevity, where complex grammatical rules are conveyed concisely and systematically. Root analysis, Prakriti and Pratyaya. A central feature of Panini's grammar is the analysis of words through their roots, Prakriti, and suffixes, Pratyaya. Panini's meticulous approach to root analysis enables scholars to understand how words are constructed and how their meanings are derived. This profound insight into the structure of language extends to Vedic words, offering a profound tool for the interpretation of Vedic texts. Vyakaran's role in preserving Vedic precision. Vyakaran plays a pivotal role in preserving the precision and integrity of the Vedic texts. The ancient Indian tradition holds that even the slightest grammatical deviation can alter the intended meaning of a Vedic mantra, potentially diminishing its efficacy. Therefore, Vyakaran acts as a safeguard, ensuring that the Vedic mantras are recited with absolute accuracy. The Maheshwara Sutras, foundation of Panini's grammar. At the heart of Panini's Ashtadhyayi lie the Maheshwara Sutras, a set of 14 aphorisms that are believed to have originated from the sound of Nataraja's damru, drum. These sutras are considered the foundation of Panini's grammar and represent the profound connection between language and the divine. They exemplify the belief that language itself is a sacred and divine construct, emphasizing the importance of precise articulation in Vedic recitation. The enduring legacy of Vyakaran. Vyakaran, the science of grammar, continues to exert a profound influence on the study of language, both within and beyond the realm of Vedic knowledge. Panini's Ashtadhyayi remains a seminal work in the field of linguistics, revered for its analytical rigor and comprehensive coverage of Sanskrit grammar. The principles elucidated in Vyakaran have not only enriched the understanding of the Sanskrit language but have also contributed to the development of linguistic studies worldwide. Conclusion. Vyakaran, as a part of the Vedangas, stands as a testament to the meticulous and scholarly pursuit of knowledge in ancient India. It serves as the key to unlocking the profound teachings of the Vedas and other Sanskrit texts. Panini's Ashtadhyayi, with its structured approach and profound insights, continues to inspire linguists and scholars across the globe. Vyakaran's enduring legacy underscores the timeless significance of precise language and grammatical analysis in the preservation and interpretation of sacred texts, a legacy that resonates with scholars and language enthusiasts to this day.